scrolling. If you're serious about personal growth and leveling up your life, Kimmy's Atmosphere is where you need to be. Inspiration, mindset shifts, real transformation, all in one place. Hit subscribe now and let's grow.
Hello and welcome, beautiful people. Today we've got something really interesting to discuss, and it's all about Thumbs.ai, a thumbnail design assistant built for YouTube creators. It helps creators generate, test, and optimize thumbnails with AI through features like text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail, YouTube face generator, and clone channel style. Let's dive in.
All right, guys. So we are right here in the interface for ThumbsAI, and you can see on the Explore page, we've got different options. We've got create thumbnail, text to thumbnail. Then we've got this option to recreate thumbnail, image to thumbnail. And then you can see YouTube thumbnail downloader. It's just like the name says. And then we've got different options here. We've got this 3D pop out, magic arrow, dollar reward. So these are different styles that you can use as thumbnails, okay? So there's just different options here. And so you are free to explore depending on the option that you choose, okay, when it's time to get right into it. So we're going to start with create thumbnail, text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail. So this is where the magic happens. So we're going to go straight to test some ideas here. As you can see, and enter your thumbnail prompt or describe your video. So if you've created a video and you don't even know how to go about creating a thumbnail, you can just come here and type in what the video is all about, and you can generate a thumbnail with it. So I can say, I have a video that describes, so I'm going to try the thumbnail prompt, describe your video. So I'm going to say, or can say, yeah, you can start with anything. You can say my video is about, so my video is about creating amazing thumbnails. We can say creating thumbnails and it is titled, so I'm just showing you all the vulnerabilities attached to just creating a thumbnail. There's nothing so special about what I'm typing. So my video is about creating thumbnails, and it is titled Create Amazing Thumbnails. Create amazing thumbnails with ThumbsAI. Today, and I'm going to say, make it colorful. I can say 3D because I want it to pop. So I'm going to make it 3D. Ooh, bear with me. Make it 3D, colorful, and vibrant. Now, there are options to add your own image. So I'm just going to do this one with an animated face. So I can say, use an animated image of a lady, of a young lady who is excited. So I'm going to show you how to use your own image. But for this first one, I want to show you that you can decide to use the image of, something that is like showing the kind of emotion you want if you don't want to use your own image. So use an animated image of a young lady who is excited and pointing, okay? Excited, 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 and pointing to the words. Okay, so even if you don't have um the time or the strength to be specific, there's an option to enhance whatever it is you type. So even if it's a very short sentence you're able to type, you can click on enhance, and it will be able to give you a more detailed version of what you want. So it's going to articulate the prompt, expand it, and make it more engaging. So 3D animated style YouTube thumbnail featuring a highly expressive, excitedly smiling young lady, dynamically pointing her finger towards large, bold, glowing 3D text that reads ThumbsAI. The scene is incredibly colorful and vibrant, utilizing high contrast. You see, it's actually being very, very descriptive of what I want based on the few words I gave it. So it's like the words were like a cue to what I really want. So without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna just go and say generate thumbnail straight. Okay, so you can see what I've already generated before, and we're going to just allow it to. All right, guys, so this is the image that it generated. As you can see, it gives the pointing that I asked for. I asked that she's a young, excited woman pointing to Tom's AI, and that's exactly what we've got here. So all you need to do is download it, and once you tap on download, it starts downloading. Okay, so you can have that. So Tom's AI gives you the ability to create thumbnails, and they can look as good as you specify them to look. So there are different things you can do. There's an option here. If you go to create thumbnail, there's an option here to do image to thumbnail. So all you need to do is upload your image. Then there's another option here to, and there's another option here to add your face. So as you can see, I already added my face here. So you can use your face. All you need to do is tap on create and select the image of you that you want to use. And you can use that to create thumbnails. So now I want to create a thumbnail using my face, and I'm going to say, use the image of me attached. And create, or I can say generate a thumbnail. With 3D words in color red. You have to be specific on what you want, color red and yellow, if that's what you want. Okay, or it will give you something really plain. So color, yeah, red and yellow. So your thumbnail will come out basically according to the prompt you give. The prompt is really what directs it to come out the way you want it to look. So use the image of me attached and generate a thumbnail with 3D words in color, red and yellow. And with the words, so yeah, with the words, I'm going to put it in a way that you understand. Create amazing thumbnails easily today. Okay, because that's what we want. We want you to be able to create amazing thumbnails easily today with Tom's AI. Okay, so use the image of me attached and generate a thumbnail with 3D words in color red and yellow with the words create amazing thumbnails easily today. So I'm going to say make it vibrant, colorful, and very fun. Okay, So I'm going to use enhance because I can see that enhance can help the prompts to be more specific. And I'm also curious to see what it's going to say. Okay. So be um, very much informed that you don't actually need to use enhance. What enhance does is that it makes sure that it understands what your prompt is and makes it more detailed so you get something really good based on what you want. So a highly vibrant, fun, and lively YouTube thumbnail featuring an energetic, smiling content creator in the foreground. Beside the creator is massive, glowing 3D typography that reads exactly, creates amazing thumbnails. Okay, so it's given it different details that I need, and I have clicked on my image. Okay, and I'm going to try to see if I can. I'm keeping the aspect ratio, the YouTube style, 16:9, and I'm going to say let's have two variations because I'm curious to see what's going to happen. So as you can see, um, we're going to just click on generate so I can see what that's going to be like. And so it's generating two different versions of what I have prompted it to generate. So we're going to watch while it gets to 100, and I'm going to speed it up so we can see what it looks like. Wow, it's something really fun. So you can see that the two different thumbnails are given different vibes. This one's given a little more colors, and this one is given a little more 3D. So it's given the create amazing thumbnails easily today. And this this is the thumbnail I will likely use for this video. Okay, so you can see how cool it looks. I'm going to download it. So it takes away the stress of creativity from you. All you need to do is tell it what you want and get really good at communicating what you actually want. So AI actually adapts to ThumbsAI actually adapts to what you prompt it to do. What you say you want, how you say it, how you create it. ThumbsAI listens and it gives you that. I also love this one as well. So I'm going to choose one of the two. I don't know. Both of them look great. So create amazing thumbnails easily today. I'm going to click on download. I love the two of them. I love the colors here. I love the vibe it has. And okay. Um yeah. So it's downloaded both of them. So you can see that it's took the joy that I had and it created more joy. Okay. So there's so much you can do. I'm also going to explore the different these are more like styles attached to creating thumbnails. And there's something that I noticed about the add your face, the emotions there. So if you want to add your face, you click on create. If you notice, they're different. So if you notice, there are different emotions that you can actually create from the image that you attach. So if you take a plain photo and you are not able to enact or create these emotions, it will help you create it. So all you need to do is tap on the one you want, wink, think. So I'm going to try it out for different thumbnails. And it's going to, once you save and use the face that you want, it's going to convert to what you want. So from what you can see that it has the capability to actually give you the emotion based on the words. So if we go back to um, my thumbnails that I've created, you see that it was able to take the smiley face I had and make it more engaging, more exciting, more interesting, which is what I wanted. Okay, and I believe that you can do even more um, amazing stuff with Tom's AI. All right, guys. So let's look at the pricing for Toms.ai. So you can purchase a subscription and upgrade to gain access to pro features and generate more faster. So you can pay monthly or you can also pay yearly. If you pay yearly, 40% is off. So we've got the free option. You can start for free, so you can test it out. It gives you 6 trial credits, and you can test to get 3 thumbnail generations. So you can create thumbnail text to thumbnail, recreate thumbnail image to thumbnail. It's going to come with a watermark because it's free. So there's face generation, clone style, and reference, YouTube thumbnail downloader, and all the other things. Okay, so then we have the premium. Okay, this is $11 per month or $137 per year. Okay, you can start the 3-day trial feature first, and then you're going to have the ability to create up to 80 thumbnails. Okay, so 160 monthly credits, 2 credits per generation. Okay, so you can use unused credits. Okay, they remain available, which is a great thing. You get high quality, there's no watermark, all the features, face generation, clone style reference. And then we have the ultimate. This is the most popular one. It's for $29 per month and turns out to be $353 per year. So it comes with the ability to create 400 thumbnails, and you have 800 monthly credits. That's a lot. So you see that it's increased from this one has got 160 to, yeah, so you can do 80 here, and then you can do a whooping 400 here. And so we've got the one that we call the Master, $71 per month. This comes with 2,000 monthly credits, so you can do up to 1,000 thumbnails. This is the ultimate one, upgraded. So it's everything in ultimate. So it's the Master, everything in ultimate. And then you have YouTube and commercial use rights, priority queue, priority access. So it's got more features than this other ones. Okay, it's got more features. So you need to try out the one that works best for you. You may want to start out with premium, and then as you increase your use, you may then move to ultimate, which is the one that gives you more value for your money, or you could even go to master. But yeah, this one works. The ultimate works really well because 400 thumbnails, yeah. So if you generate a lot of videos, this one works for you. But if you are pretty, spaced out, then this one with the 80 thumbnails can work for you, the premium. So feel free to choose the one that works best for you. It's great stuff. And I look forward to seeing you. Remember, you can sign up with the link in the description and start having your thumbnails done for you. You can explore, you can do fantastic, fantastic things with Thumbs.ai. Do remember, if you want me to do more videos to show what you can do, the different features, there's so much you can do. Like I said, the video would take lots of hours if I showed you everything you can do on there. So let me know. And I'll see you and talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.